Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband just recently got a night guard, and we were surprised to find how difficult it is to clean. That is, until we discovered this ultrasonic denture cleaner. We were truly impressed by how with just the push of a button you can clean your night guard, retainer, dentures, toothbrushes, and even your jewelry. It was so easy to use. You simply fill it with water to the max line. You can even add a dental cleaning tablet if you want. Then you drop in whatever you need to clean, push the button, and choose from 5 different cleaning modes. This denture cleaner machine will attack all of the dirt and germs with 4 powerful UV lights that will leave you feeling confident and clean. I particularly love the toothbrush cleaning feature. My kids just got over a nasty cold, and instead of throwing those toothbrushes away and buying new ones, we were able to clean and disinfect them with this machine. We keep ours right next to the bathroom sink, and the whole family is benefiting from using it. We are truly happy to have this in our home, and I think you're going to love it too. And that's my point of view.